Is payroll making your life harder than it should be? Are you spending too much time wrestling with paperwork and fixing mistakes? It might be time for a change. Welcome back to Run My Business. I'm Craig Stevens. Anyone that has spent time in this industry knows that the payroll process can be a challenge. But I have good news to share. You don't have to live with a system or process that is a constant source of headaches. Today we're talking about when it might be time to make a change and why you shouldn't be afraid to take that leap. Are you spending a lot of time fixing paycheck mistakes? Are the numbers you are seeing in your reports not really making any sense? Are you staying late to figure out punches and overtime? Have your employees begun to lose faith in the payroll process and they challenge their paycheck amounts each week? If any of this sounds familiar, perhaps it's a sign that your current payroll setup isn't working for you. I know that the thought of changing payroll systems could be worrisome. First of all, it's a change, and we can all agree that change could be scary. Second, a change to your payroll system levels up that concern just a little bit, right? But consider this. If a better solution exists, and it's only the fear of change that is standing in your way, shouldn't you at least consider it? With today's technology, switching payroll systems isn't as hard as it used to be. There are systems out there that integrate directly with your shop management software, so you don't have to rekey or enter data manually. Take a moment and ask yourself what is driving you crazy about your current payroll process. Is it the paperwork, physical time cards, or handwritten pay sheets? Is it the inevitable risk of errors from manual calculations? Or is it the fear of getting audited due to compliance issues? Once you know some of those answers, you can start looking for solutions. Next, think about solutions that work best with your current shop process. If you have a process in the shop that is locked in, then why change it? Find a solution that works well with it instead. What about future aspirations? Do you have plans to grow and add locations? Then consider solutions that would grow and scale with you. What about a product that integrates with your current shop management software and pulls in the employee hours and job data? Once you have settled on a new solution, you should start by cleaning up your current data. Verify that your employee records have correct addresses, job titles, hire dates, pay rates, and deductions. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Look for a payroll software company that offers dedicated support and training. A company's people is just as important as their product. Modern payroll systems can make data migration incredibly smooth. Look for one that provides templates or tools to import your data directly from spreadsheets or your existing systems. Also, ask to be assigned a dedicated onboarding specialist to walk you through the process, step by step. They should be there to make it easy for you. And here's a tip. Involve your team in the research process. Ask them what they'd like to see in a new system. Maybe they want mobile access to their pay stubs or the ability to clock in and out from their phones. They're the ones that have to use it every day, so their input matters. And don't try to switch everything over all at once. Start with the basics, like automated time tracking. Then add more advanced features as you move forward. You're good at what you do, and you're building something great. Don't let something like your payroll system hold you back. Making the change might seem daunting. I get it. But it's an investment in your business, your peace of mind, and your team's satisfaction. You deserve a system that saves you time, reduces errors, and keeps you compliant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on running a successful collision repair business. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We're here to help. See you next time.